2026, the legendary MiG-27 Ground Attack Variant makes a surprising return to the spotlight. Welcome back to my channel, where today we take an in-depth look at one of the most iconic strike aircraft ever developed, the MiG-27, known for its raw power, aggressive design, and unmatched ability to deliver precise ground assaults even in the toughest battlefield conditions. This aircraft, a derivative of the MiG-23, was born for one purpose: a low-level penetration and devastating ground attack performance. The MiG-27 has always stood apart because of its distinctive look and mission focus. Its exterior design immediately tells you this is not a typical interceptor or air superiority fighter. Instead, every inch of the MiG-27 screams purpose. Its long, angular fuselage, sharply cut tail intakes, and variable geometry wings give it an aggressive stance. When viewed from the front, the aircraft's sharp nose and sleek canopy profile project both speed and authority. The airframe is built to endure the intense pressures of high-speed, low-altitude flight, often hugging the terrain to avoid radar detection. The rugged landing gear, the hardened underside, and the compact shape make it clear this aircraft was engineered for frontline combat, to take off from rough airfields, deliver its payload with precision, and return safely under fire. In its modernized 2026 form, the MiG-27 receives significant upgrades that make it relevant in the age of digital warfare. Its orange livery for this new variant is not just for display, it represents a new training and testing platform used by modern air forces to study legacy strike aircraft performance under current combat parameters. The airframe now integrates composite material sections, reducing its overall radar signature and weight. The exhaust nozzles have been reworked for improved thermal management, slightly lowering infrared visibility. The updated paintwork, corrosion-resistant panels, and digital maintenance interfaces bring this Cold War legend into the modern age. Under the hood, performance has always been the MiG-27's strong point. Powered originally by the Umansky R-29 turbojet, this engine produced remarkable thrust for a ground attack jet. In 2026's rush toward configurations, several aircraft feature overhauled engines with digital control systems, enhancing throttle response and efficiency. At low altitudes, the MiG-27 remains an unstoppable machine, capable of flying just meters above the ground at speeds exceeding 1,300 km per hour. That ability to maintain control and stability while traveling at such speeds is what made it so respected among pilots. The variable sweep wings provide superior maneuverability, sweeping forward for takeoff and low-speed operations, and sweeping back for high-speed runs or evasive maneuvers. The MiG-27's performance is not about air-to-air combat dominance, it's about delivering heavy ordnance accurately and surviving the return trip. In terms of payload, the aircraft carries a powerful combination of bombs, rockets, and guided munitions. The integrated 6-barrel GSH-630 cannon, one of the most formidable aircraft guns ever mounted today, gives the MiG-27 incredible close-range attack power. The cannon's high rate of fire could shred armored vehicles or defensive positions with terrifying efficiency. The aircraft can also carry laser-guided and television-guided bombs, rockets, and anti-runway munitions. With modern avionics retrofits added in 2026, pilots can now integrate digital targeting pods, thermal cameras, and GPS-assisted guidance systems, turning this once analog machine into a precision strike platform capable of modern standards of accuracy. The MiG-27's performance envelope remains a testament to Soviet engineering philosophy: simplicity, strength, and reliability. Its ability to fly in rough weather, absorb battle damage, and still complete its mission earned it a reputation similar to a flying tank. Pilots often describe it as demanding but dependable. Even decades after its retirement from frontline service, modern operators still appreciate its flight characteristics during test and training missions. The way the aircraft responds to control input at low altitude, the stability it maintains while delivering ordnance, and its incredible acceleration continue to impress aviation enthusiasts and professionals alike. Now stepping briefly inside the cockpit, the MiG-27's interior feels like a time capsule of Cold War technology: analog dials, manual switches, and mechanical systems dominating the layout. However, in the 2026 modernization effort, Many aircraft feature upgraded flight instruments with hybrid analog-digital displays. The pilot's seat remains snug and functional, surrounded by throttle levers, radar scopes, and targeting controls. The HUD now projects modern symbology for better situational awareness. The view from the cockpit canopy provides excellent visibility forward and downward, crucial for ground attack missions. Despite the addition of digital elements, the MiG-27 retains its raw, mechanical soul. It's not a machine that flies itself. It demands skill, strength, and precision from its pilot. Even after decades, the MiG-27 Ground Attack Variant remains a perfect example of a purpose-built war machine, designed to hit hard, fast, and accurately. In 2026, it stands as both a piece of living history and a study model for next-generation strike platforms. Its design reminds us that true combat effectiveness comes from a perfect balance of simplicity, power, and durability. Whether viewed on the ramp in its bright orange livery or roaring through the sky during testing, the MiG-27 still commands respect as one of the toughest and most iconic attack aircraft ever built. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the MiG-27, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more aviation insights, rare aircraft reviews, and performance breakdowns from the world of military aviation.